Did you know that fire burns differently in space? Hi, I'm Sam D.
And I'm Sam H. And our project is FLEX. NASA's goal is to find an easy way to extinguish fire on the next generation of space vehicles.
In space, heat doesn't rise, so everything gets hot very quickly.
With everything getting hot very quickly, the fire will spread very fast. NASA wants to find an easy way to extinguish fire in space so accidents are avoided.
This would make future missions safer and more efficient.
In space, fire does not need as much oxygen and it burns at a lower temperature. This means fire can burn for longer and start faster.
They are testing with different oxygen amounts, atmosphere pressure, and they are measuring how fast each droplet burns.
With knowing how fast each droplet burns, they can measure a huge fire. Thanks for watching our video presentation.
Hope you enjoyed!
2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end of test.